So there it is. Got the final coat of paint done for the midsection of the bus now, and again I've used the Pour 15 bed lining paint, so hopefully that will increase its life for a little bit extra. So one more job to be done before I can button it all up and get the pans installed, and that is to wrap this heater tube with some exhaust wrap. So I've gone with this exhaust wrap. It's just a purchase from Amazon, seeing as the original heater tube had a insulating cover over the top of it. Just going to go with this one. So it says you've got to water it down or give it a little sprinkle. I think that's just because of the fibres that are within the wrap. So it comes with stainless fixings as well. Get wrapping. And I've had the 46mm socket delivered, so I can get on with the rear brakes. What I'm doing is I'm just initially what they call priming the wrap, getting a start on the wrap, and I'm just securing one end with a cable tie temporarily, and then I'll get it wrapped round. There we go. Took quite a long time, but finally done now. All wrapped up. That was so much fun. There we have it, all done, all bolted up. So hopefully I won't have to take it out again until this side has to come out for maybe some plumbing for the sink and the cool box. Right, once again I'm going to have a complete change of plan. I don't necessarily want to take the rear brakes off as yet, so I'm going to concentrate back on the front end, get all this assembled, get it all back together so I can put the bus back on its floor. I might even start a repair patch with inside the near side rear panel there. Got a little bit of fiberglass still to take out, and I've now got the correct boots for that drag link, so that can go in. So yeah, front end assembly first, get it back on the floor, possibly do that rear repair before I even attempt to get into them rear brakes. I don't want to be buying any more parts in yet.
May I be the doctor and the medicine for all sick beings in the world until everyone is healed. All right, Joey.
Right, bus is back on the ground now for a little while, so I'm going to make a start on this fiberglass repair, take all that out and replace it with steel. Now that is a really terrible repair. I can't believe it. Just been pondering over the best way to replace this section now, so I've still got to cut a small strip of the floor edge out, so it's showing rot on the edge there, but it's going to be better for me to weld in a sort of flatter section, almost forming an L-shaped repair section to be let in. There was a lip there that this panel then rolls over and sits on top of. So that's what I'm thinking at the moment, so I'll cut this strip out and see where I go from there. That's my first bit that I've just cut out now, and I've just got to put two bends in it.
You're praying that your experiment may be a blessing and not a curse on mankind.
So I've just cut a little patch in for this side over here, and I've completed both panels for this side. A little mistake there with a little section to be let in, but these are actually 2 panels. Try to follow the lines so it all matches in. So I shall weld them both together and then weld it in fully. So there we go, job's a good one. Got that patching over there as well as this one. Just got to grind down all the welds, give it a little coat of rust preventative paint, seal underneath on the other side, and then move on to the next bit.